Floor plan fanatics, this one's for you. We're inside the Bahama at Valencia Harbour, and I'm going to show you every incredible detail that this floor plan has to offer, starting with the 3-car garage. This is a 4-bedroom plus den floor plan with 4 bathrooms at 3116 square feet. Offers everything you could be asking for. Thanks for spending some time with me inside the Bahama floor plan at Valencia Harbour. If you have any questions about this floor plan or any of the others, give us a call.